In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Word documents in Google Drive using Google Docs. If you've got a Word file on your computer and you want to make changes without installing anything else, this simple workflow will get you there quickly and reliably. First, you'll upload the file to Google Drive. Open your browser and go to Google Drive. On the left, click the New button, then choose File Upload. A file picker will appear so you can locate your Word document, typically a doc or docx file, on your computer. Select it, then confirm to start the upload. You can also drag and drop the file directly into your Drive window if that's easier. As the upload begins, you'll see a small progress indicator at the bottom right. Larger files may take a bit longer, so give it a moment to finish. When the upload completes, the document will appear in your Drive list, ready to open. Next, open and edit the document right in Google Docs. Simply double-click the file in Drive. It will launch in a new tab with the Google Docs editor, where you can start typing immediately. Your changes are saved automatically as you work, and you'll see a small status indicator at the top that updates from Saving to All Changes saved in Drive. That means you don't need to press a Save button, and you won't lose progress if you accidentally close the tab. While editing, use the familiar toolbar to adjust text formatting, headings, alignment, and spacing. Most Word formatting carries over well, though very advanced or specialized Word features may look a little different. If you notice small layout shifts, you can fine-tune them using the same tools you'd use for any Google Doc. Undo and redo are available if you want to quickly revert a change. Because the file is stored in Drive, you can access it from any device where you sign in to your account. The document name and location in Drive will remain the same, so it's easy to find later. If you're working with a long document, consider using headings to keep things organized as you scroll, and remember that autosave means every edit is captured in real time. That's it. Upload your Word document to Drive, double-click to open it in Google Docs, and start editing with autosave handling the rest. It's a fast, dependable way to work on Word files wherever you are.